Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a wig review of another Gabor wig. This one is called Innuendo. It's an open cap wig by Gabor in the color G27 Plus, also known as Ginger Mist. Now, someone that is a really good customer of mine and a really good friend suggested this wig and said, why don't you carry this? Well, the answer is usually I like to investigate hair before I start carrying it. You know, if I'm not familiar with the style, I'm really reluctant to add it to the site before I see it. So in the case of Innuendo, I ordered this one and said, hey, I want to check this out before I put it up there. And I think that this wig is extremely cute. I will say that it doesn't have as much volume as the manufacturer pictures would otherwise have you believe. And you can fluff it up a little bit if you like, which I'm going to do now. But otherwise, this one just kind of wants to lay sort of sleek and straight. I do think you get quite a bit of hair though. I think that the volume on this is really natural looking. And not everybody wants super big poofy shags. Some people like these sort of natural looking, sleek, silky shags. I think this one's darling. I like the way the sides are cut, especially if I watch when I push them forward. Look how cute that is. Ah, it's so cute. Oh, I love the layering on this one. It's just darling. Darling, darling, oh, just so darling. I love how it's longer here. The bang is a really nice length. You know, you can either wear it down or you can sweep it off to the side, which is what I'm doing here. I think this one's super cute. Let me see if I can mess it up a little bit. I mean, it's just a really cute little shag. I mean, and then if you wanted it to stay like messy looking like this, all you would need is a little bit of synthetic safe styling spray, and it would hold it like this most of the day, you know, unless it rained or something. The back on this one is also really nice because it's got all these layers so it can flip and flare. So speaking of which, let me go ahead and show you what Innuendo looks like on all sides. So yeah, I like this one. I think this is a really nice little shake and go. Especially for the price. This is a 4-inch bang. I like to sweep that off to the side. Crown is 4.7 or 6.75 inches, forgive me. Sides are 4.5. So you can see they're a little shorter there. The back is 5. And the nape is 2. The nape is very short. My own bio hair is getting a little long, so it might be poking out through the back, but if I were going to wear a short wig like this full time, I would either let it grow long enough that I could kind of pin my bio hair up or put it in a low bun, or I would just kind of shave my neck. So I'm going to go ahead and take Innuendo off now so I can show you the cap construction. Innuendo has a completely machine-made open cap. No bells and whistles. That really helps keep the price down. It does have a felt nape. It's not extended, but it does have the Velcro adjusters. It does stretch quite a bit, which is good. Does have a nice big band of felt here right at the front hairline, which is awesome. This ought to be a very comfortable wig, especially in hot weather. It does have permatease, but it doesn't have a lot of it. So if you're looking for a wig that's got a lot of volume or something like that, you're not going to get it from this one. Another thing is I would avoid ordering this in any super light blonde colors because it doesn't have that much permatease in it. You know, you're going to have difficulty obscuring the wefts on the top of the wig in any of the really light colors. So, you know, with this color, it's not really that big of a deal. And with darker colors, it won't be a problem at all. This is a really pretty color, by the way. So you can probably tell it's like a 27, which is like a caramely sort of apricot-y color. Very pretty. I made up a word there. And then it's got these luscious highlights. This color actually reminds me a lot of the strawberry syrup color from John Renault. So if you like that color, this ginger mist is very similar, very pretty, light auburn. I'm gonna go ahead and shake this one and put it on. This one is easy as easy could be. You don't even have to worry about whether or not it's messy looking or not, because it's the kind of cut that looks cute even if it's messy. I love stuff like that. I would avoid center parts just because you don't have that much permatease going on top. You don't want to do anything that's going to expose those wefts. But as long as you do off-center parts or something like that, you should be fine. And that looks pretty awesome. So there you have it. This is the adorable little Innuendo wig by Gabor in the color G27 plus, also known as Ginger Mist. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. I review lots of wigs, so check out my YouTube channel. Subscribe if you like, or check out my web store. It's www.CysterWigs, CysterWigs.com, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Bye-bye.